Hi, good morning. A friend just sent me a question that I should help solve. I think this should be either for a relative or for somebody in secondary, and we are asked to calculate the surface area of the shape. This is a prism, and for you to calculate the area of a prism, you then need to look at the component shapes that makes up this prism. Looking at it, I have triangle PQR, which I would say is equal to triangle UTS because they are similar triangles. I also have rectangle QRST as one, and also if you look at the back of the shape, it is also made up of a rectangle. So we equally have rectangle PUTQ, and I have looked at the base, I have looked at the back shape rectangle PURS. So the total surface area of this prism is said to be the sum total of the surface area of these four shapes or five shapes that makes up this prism. So once you can get the total surface area of each of these shapes, sum them up together, it gives you the total surface area of the prism. So I will say that the total surface area represented as TSA is equal to sum of areas of triangle PQR plus triangle UTS plus rectangle QRST plus rectangle PUTQ plus that of rectangle PURS. So when you get the areas of each of these, add them up together, it gives you the total surface area of this shape. But I don't have the height of the triangle, so we'll first of all look for the height of the triangle. Let me label it H. But for this triangle, since this is 4 centimeters, it therefore means that here is also 4 centimeters by virtue of the fact that this is rectangle PURS. So in a rectangle, parallel sides or opposite sides are equal, so it therefore means this other side is also 7 cm. So considering triangle PQR, where the hypotenuse is 4 centimeters and the base is 3 centimeters, I can therefore look for the height for obeying Pythagoras theorem. So we have that from Pythagoras theorem, 4 squared is equal to 3 squared plus h squared. Solving this, we will get the height, and this is h squared is said to be equal to 4 squared minus 3 squared. So h squared is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 9, leaving us with h squared to be equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. So h is equal to square root of 7. So the height is said to be square root of 7. So this is root 7. Now with this, I can then solve for the area of triangle PQR as well as triangle UTS. Once I'm able to get the area of PQR, it's just for me to multiply it by 2 and it gives me that of triangle UTS. Having gotten the height, I can solve for the total surface area of the prism. So the area of this shape now becomes that the total surface area, we say it is equal to the area of triangle PQR. This becomes 2 times area of triangle, and the area of triangle is said to be half base times height. That is to say to be half times the base of that triangle is 3, while the height is said to be root 7, plus the area of the base rectangle, and the area of a rectangle is said to be length times breadth. That is 3 times 7 plus the area of the back rectangle, of which the length is said to be 7 centimeter, while the height is said to be root 7. So this is said to be 7 times root 7, while the area of the slant rectangle PURS is said to be equal to the slant height is 4 times the length is 7. I think we have taken into consideration all the shapes. The first is for the sum of the two rectangles, while the second is the area of the base rectangle. The third is for the back rectangle, and this is for the slant rectangle. So let's simplify, and that gives us the total surface area. So the total surface area is equal to, this is 2 times 3 root 7 divided by 2 plus 21 plus 7 root 7 plus 28. So when you simplify this, this goes out, and we have this to be 3 root 7 plus, let me add 21 plus 28, that is 49 plus 7 root 7. So when you simplify by adding these two, you have 49 plus 10 root 7, and this is your answer in short form, and your unit is in centimeters. So you can then put your calculators and simplify this further. So you have it to be 49 plus 10 times root 7. Root 7 is said to be 2.65 approximately. So when you simplify, this is said to be 49 plus 26.5, and when you add this together, 49 plus 26.5 is said to be 75.5 centimeters square. So this is your answer in short form, while when you simplify by substituting the value of root 7, this is what you will get. So this is your answer, and you can cross check it to get your value. You can send in your kids assignment, and I will be able to explain it for them, all for free. Thank you, and do have a nice day. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while you are encouraged to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also share the link with your friends so that they will also be able to learn from this class. Thank you, and do have a nice day.